Carol Krukov once said, "Mountain pose teaches us literally how to stand on our own 2 feet, teaches us how to root ourselves into the earth, and in this way our bodies become a connection between heaven and earth." In this short yoga tutorial, we will go over Tadasana, also known as mountain pose. We will cover its benefits and the proper alignment. This may look like a simple posture, but when done right, you will display the strength and the magnificence of a mountain in this pose. From the beautiful Franklins in El Paso, Texas, to you. Tadasana brings awareness of your muscles and balance, increasing strength and flexibility in the feet, legs, and torso. This is a good starting position for many other standing postures. Start by standing with your feet in line with your hips, and feel the 4 corners of your feet fully planted on the earth. Extend the legs, sealing the space between the inner thighs, but avoid locking the knees. Make sure your muscles are engaged, distributing equal weight on your feet. Bring your awareness to the many muscles in your calves, the thighs, hamstring, going all the way up to your glutes. Now bring your awareness to your torso. Avoid applying unnecessary pressure in the lower back. Instead, engage your glutes and make sure your spine is straight and neutral. Bring your chest up by engaging the muscles in the abdominal area and relax your shoulders. Maintain the shoulders down and back, behind and away from the ears. Draw the shoulder blades towards each other, and this will help lift up your chest. Now bring your awareness to your neck. Your neck is in line with your spine, and your chin is parallel to the ground. Your gaze is straight or slightly down. Avoid looking up to prevent hyperextension of the neck. Take deep and long inhales and exhales through the nose while still actively keeping the pose. Stay here for at least 5 long deep breaths and getting out of the pose when you're ready. As you continue practicing Tadasana, you will notice an improvement in your posture as you age over the years. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.